Rambo Shaman breathing tips and techniques. Hello everyone. In this video, I will teach you how to practice the snake breathing technique, also known as Shitali Pranayama. This technique is very beneficial for cooling and calming the body and mind, especially during hot summer days. 1. Sit in a comfortable position, such as lotus position or meditation position. Place your hands on your knees, palms up, and close your eyes. 2. Fold the tongue back, forming a tube. If you can't bend your tongue, don't worry, just keep your lips together and make a small opening with your teeth. 3. Inhale slowly through the tube of the tongue or through the small opening that you have formed with your teeth. Feel how the fresh air enters your body and fills your lungs. 4. Once you have fully inhaled, hold your breath for a few seconds. 5. Then, exhale slowly through the nose, closing the mouth and relaxing the tongue or lips. 6. Repeat this cycle of inhalation and exhalation for at least 5 to 10 times, maintaining a constant rhythm and concentrating on the sensation of freshness that you experience in the body and mind. Excellent work! Now you know how to practice the snake breathing technique. Remember that you can do it at any time of the day, especially when you feel stressed or tired. If you liked this video, feel free to like it and subscribe to our channel for more videos on yoga and wellness. Namaste.